We enable companies to get rid of things that they don't want and then repurpose that into a very viable and valuable product for a number of different industries out there. A lot of the post-consumer paper mills bring in what you and I take to the streets and then repurpose that into more paper towels, cardboard boxes, napkins, that sort of thing.
And the remaining is short fiber and some minerals, and that's needlessly gone to landfill.
We take that waste and we repurpose that into cellulose-based products that are used across a number of different industries, ag, lawn and garden, absorbents, a number of different uses.
Our customers want dust-free products. They don't want to have dust that's blown up in their face as they're using the product in the plant or in their homes.
We bring that raw material in about every 45 minutes from the paper mills that are in and around our Green Bay facility.
When it comes to us, it's about 60% moisture.
Looks like a giant pile of gray oatmeal.
We dry that product and we granulate it.
Gets dropped into a big old bay and we throw it into our proprietary process, mix it up and spin it around and turn it into a round, small granule.
We dry it down to under 4%, and we granulate it to 5 different sizes that we sell all over the world.
Biodac is our cellulose-based granular carrier, and that's primarily used in the agricultural and home lawn and garden space. And they use Biodac as a delivery mechanism to deliver that active ingredient so it gets to its target and does what it's supposed to do.
Gran-sorb is our general oil and grease absorbent.
On any sort of liquid spill, oil spill, grease spill, it will absorb more than its weight, and it's very easy to dispose of.
There really is not another granule out there that can say that they are dust-free.
Our customers love using Biodac because their customers, those that are buying these products at the big box stores or buying these products through distributors if they're a golf course superintendent, when they pour that product into a spreader, there's no dust. Because of its ballistics, because of its weight, you don't have to worry about that product getting into an undesirable area.
We were green in 1989 before everybody was talking about green, and now I'm just tremendously proud of what we've been able to do.
When you think about the volume of the product that we process annually and figure out where that would go if we did not process it, it's really astounding.